Okay guys, today we have a 2020 Toyota RAV4. I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter. This is the engine air filter box. We're just gonna unhook these tabs. There's just two tabs right there. Then you're gonna disconnect this part right here just by pulling this up and slipping it off. And we're gonna lift this up. And right there is the engine air filter. If you want to, you can loosen this and just take this whole thing off. I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, so take it out. Clean it out if you want. It doesn't look that bad. This one's not bad at all. So we're gonna put it back in. Okay, once it's back in there, those two right here and there, you're gonna slip those into those two holes, just like that. Then you're gonna push it down and get that piece on, and then stick these back on. And that's how you do it.